kind of a dream come true.
It's like we're unstoppable.
This is absolutely the biggest opportunity we will ever see.
La baie d'Açaí, un des fruits les plus puissants de la nature. Trouvé dans les régions les plus éloignées de la forêt amazonienne, ce fruit regorgeant de nutriments est plein d'antioxydants. Açaí, le joyau de Monavi, est un mélange de premier choix de fruits bénéfiques pour le corps provenant de partout à travers le monde. Une fusion parfaitement balancée entre la science, la santé et l'opportunité. Monavi. Avec son siège international situé aux États-Unis, Monavi fait les manchettes et connaît une croissance explosive.
When I started this company along with my partners, we had a goal of creating something exceptional, something that would stand the test of time, that would outlive us. And I believe that we've used solid principles in the forming the foundation for Monavi that will take us many, many years into the future.
Tirant profit d'une approche de personne à personne, Monavi a enrichi les vies de milliers de gens. En offrant un breuvage au bon goût, riche en nutriments et qui encourage un style de vie sain, Monavi a favorisé un environnement où les relations personnelles et les opportunités se rencontrent. C'est le pouvoir du marketing de relations à son meilleur.
The nutritional beverage category is exploding, and Monavi happens to be smack dab in the middle of it.
The government tells us we need to eat 5 to 7 servings of fruit, but yet we don't do it. Less than 10% of Americans do.
I feel with all my heart and soul, man, that I think that every person on this planet needs this product.
Monavi just fits in really nicely to a good nutrition plan. It helps us make sure that we are getting the phytonutrients and the antioxidants that we need.
They decided long before they had a bottle of juice that they wanted to give back to the world. And what better way to do it? We take the berry out of Brazil, we bless people's lives, and then give it back to the source.
La baie d'Açaí pousse en grappe sur des palmiers indigènes de l'Amazonie. Aidant à préserver les forêts amazoniennes via l'éco-agriculture, Monavi emploie des cueilleurs de la région pour récolter les baies à la main. Ainsi, les palmiers continuent à grandir, offrant une ressource renouvelable pour les gens et la terre.
This acai is unlike any fruit, vegetable, or nut that's ever been seen before, because you can't just explain its profound antioxidant activity by what we understand today.
We looked at over 100 fruits and had our scientists look at them, and we narrowed it down to 19 that worked most synergistically, with the acai berry being the crown jewel.
The economy that is being created with Monavi and the acai is reaching all the way upriver. You're seeing lives change, you're seeing education, schools being built.
Hoje em dia a minha vida melhorou muito do meu filho, porque gerou muito emprego depois que gerou ela e outras empresas aqui no Pará. Todos nós ganhamos mais do que o salário. A gente está bem, a gente é muito grato a ela.
L'engagement de Monavi envers le Brésil dépasse sa contribution à l'économie locale. Tout le monde chez Monavi partage une passion de redonner.
I always say that as you become blessed, you better become a blessing. And that's where the MORE project comes in. It stands for Monavi's Operation Rescue.
When we came here 2 years ago, what we witnessed were children running around partially clothed and quiet and shy and zero self-confidence and looking down and no hope, no happiness.
In the beginning, it was just to take care of this kid, just to give food. And then we started learning that they need more than food. They need healing, inner healing. And then the project started to grow and grow and grow. And now we have 6 homes with almost 100 kids that is not living in the streets anymore. They are there receiving education, love, care, clean home, clean clothes, and everything there. We have a professional school, have a professional class there. And if you come here, we'll teach you to do great things with your hands, and it will be much easier for you to get a job. We are working today to see the fruits the next 5-10 years. But the fruits will be unbelievable, beautiful, and big. It's a hope. It's all about hope. We are giving hope for the people.
When we get right down to it, we're changing lives of children, teenagers, adults, and families.
Families.
And breaking the cycle of the generations before.
I do believe that. We are changing lives.
Le projet MORE s'est engagé à donner plus d'espoir et à changer plus de vies. Cette passion de faire, donner et être plus n'est pas seulement le principe directeur du projet MORE. Cela se reflète aussi dans la façon dont Monavi traite ce qu'elle considère comme son atout le plus précieux, ses distributeurs.
I want Monavi to be the best company, not necessarily in the world, but the best company for the world.
Alan has created a culture where distributors come first.
I call him the distributor CEO. So he knows that the value of this company is in its distributors who herald the message of better health.
We believed in honoring our distributors and paying them very well.
The right people started coming together to fill the gaps that needed to be filled. And the beauty of Monavi is they will reward you royally.
If you put your time into this, it'll literally change your life, but not just this year, the next year, but we believe decades to come.
Here's a company that's paying close to 50% of what they take in, and we've got incentives to keep going forward.
You dream a big dream, you set a goal, you go do the work, and then one day you wake up and Monavi is delivering a new black Mercedes to your door.
There's no company that I know of that sends you on exotic trips around the world, continues to shower you with gifts in the way that Monavi does.
You know, our life has totally changed.
I want the life where you have the money that you're accustomed to, but you have all the time that you want to spend with your family, to spend with your children. And I thought, what if we could do this? Sell our businesses after 14 years and live a semi-retired life.
Tout est à propos des gens. Monavi offre une opportunité captivante, dédiée à enrichir globalement la vie des gens par le pouvoir de la vente directe. Une opportunité dynamique qui offre un potentiel de croissance illimité.
The reason the timing is so great for Monavi, in my view, people are hurting out there. 2 and 3 and 4 jobs per family. Spouses hardly ever see each other, hardly ever see the kids. Is that really a quality of life?
I feel a sense of responsibility to help others. There are a lot of people hurting, dissatisfied, looking for a better way. And what we've got is a vehicle that can provide that better way.
I noticed that I was having more energy, my moods were better, and that's what prompted me to share it with my family members and some of my patients.
The Monavi product sells itself. Just share the product and let people experience the benefits for themselves, and they'll come back again and again for more.
All I did was invite them to taste and share the product, and then they wanted to do the same thing, and I knew right then we had something pretty special.
A lot of people think you need to sponsor a zillion people. You're looking for quality friends that you want to roll up your shirt sleeves and help win and succeed.
We're just a few years old, so the timing is great for you to get involved and to carve out a piece of the market share for yourself.
I've never seen a company positioned and primed for an explosion over the next 3, 5, 6, 7 years as Monavi is today.
Much better trips, much better bonuses. It's not going to happen in a job, a career, even your own company. Yourself and a partner cannot afford to pay each other the kind of money that you both can make in this Monavi opportunity.
When you choose your own schedule, you go at your pace. You can go as high or as far as you want to go, no limits. You work with great people. They send you on these wonderful trips, a fantastic pay plan on a rock-solid product. It's just total economic freedom.
This opportunity I won't ever see again. Right now, I'm building my future and my children's children's future.
Know that this business is for everybody, not just a select few.
Number 1, enroll. Number 2, get active with the product and see where this can take you.
Dream a big dream. Don't dream a small dream. The worst thing that could happen is a small dream would come true.
What if it works? What if it really works, you know? Think about what it can do to your life.
It may seem too good to be true. It's true.
Yeah. I invite you to take a serious look at Monavie, and if this feels right to you, get involved. Let's go out and make a difference, one person at a time.
Monavie, une opportunité aussi unique que le fruit lui-même. Dédiée à l'amélioration de la vie des gens dans le monde entier via les relations personnelles et profitant de la vitalité d'une des compagnies de vente directe les plus dynamiques du monde. Si vous êtes prêt à faire une différence, parlez à la personne qui a partagé cette opportunité avec vous.